Yo, hey man, say man, how's your day, man? It's favorite trader Gio. Come out with another video, man. Oh, let's go ahead and get off into this, man. I ain't about to waste y'all time because I don't want y'all wasting mine. You feel me? Oh, now look, why listen to me? What's so special about me? Honestly, nothing. I just never quit and I exceed everything. You know what I'm saying? I exceed every obstacle. So there's nothing really special, but I have information and maybe you need some information. So I'm about to give you this information. You hear me? How do one get started trading? How does one trade? Where do I go? What do I do? Where do I sign up? I got you. I got you. You hear me? I got you. I got you. So let's get off into this, man. I've been chart rating going on 8 years now. Trading MNQ 6 or 7. Oh Lord. But in MNQ every day of my life for about 3-4 years now. You know what I'm saying? So that's my background. That's my history. Crypto that's what I started off with. $60 turning into 18,000. If you guys want to see the proof of that, I'll make a separate video of that. Let me know in the comments below. I have everything. You know what I'm saying? So how does one get started? Now, remember, I am very unorthodox about everything I do. I don't follow the crowd. I don't listen to people. I find out for myself. So we're going to talk about two sides of trading and what can one do? How can one take, okay? At the moment, I'm trading futures, okay? So I'm using Tradeovate with the TradingView extension. You come to tradeovate.com, you make you an account, and you trade futures. Very clean, everything bank, wire, debit card, what the US really wants. What most people who are afraid go it's very, how can I say this? It's tended for a certain audience, right? If you are trading and you got it and you know you can make money, come to futures, set up you an account, get you a monthly subscription. The CME group data, you're gonna have to pay for data from certain data providers. So you pick what you want to do. I'm with CME, and yeah, it's very clean. Now, a lot of people may tell you that, oh man, you need to be regulated, or unregulated brokers are not, blah, 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 blah. Those people, they focus on the wrong things. Most of those people, all those people probably, most of those people can't even make a dollar trading, you understand, or keep a dollar trading. So the thing in life is you have to find out for yourself. Of course, learn from other people's mistakes, but do your own research, right? Hanko trade, here's the other side of it, right? Unregulated in the US, but that does not mean it's just out there unregulated. It's regulated in other countries, okay? Not regulated in the US, but regulated in other countries. Quick story. When Henko Trade, for all my OGs, Henko Trade was on an app called MT4, MetaTrader 4, okay? OG app, clean, everybody loved it, okay? But 2-3 years ago, around the fall, MT4 started cutting everybody license. If you weren't regulated in America, they'd cut you off their program. You can't use their app, you can't use their program, you can't use their web browser. Everything was gone. Well, I was using Henko Trade at the time, and let's say I had a hefty penny in those accounts. Okay, I had a hefty penny in those accounts. Now, I asked for a withdrawal at the peak of the chaos for Henko Trade. And you know what they told me? Your money is safe with Henko Trade. And guess what? I got my money. So I don't want to hear anything from anybody that hasn't been in this industry really doing this to tell me, oh, you can't trust Henko. Shut up. Okay? If you guys want to, because with Henko Trade, I think the minimum is $100. You could, okay, how you would do Henko Trade? Cash out Bitcoin to Henko Trade, and then you can trade. Again, I have the futures, but this is Henko Trade. To upload money with Henko Trade, it's crypto. Some may like that, some may not. So that's why I'm giving you options. With Tradevate, bank account, wire, debit card, but you will pay monthly subscriptions. Not saying it's a lot, but you will pay. So these are the two brokerages I recommend for anybody to get started trading, depending on your level and depending where you feel like you want to indulge in, right? You want to be with Tradevate, licensed in America, regulated in America, one of the recommended brokers and TradingView extensions owned by NinjaTrader, okay? Or you go Henkel Trade, unregulated in America but regulated in other continents, right? Other countries. Means to withdraw and upload money and deposit money is crypto. Means to upload and deposit and withdraw money via wire, debit card, bank transfer. Okay. Now, you have your broker. Now with let's not forget something with okay. With Henkel Trade, the way you're gonna use them is through ACT Trader. That's where you're gonna place your trades. You can use their web browser. You can use their Apple, their app, their phone app. It's really up to you. Now, some people may not like their app because it's like or whatever, right? All personal preference, no problem. Let's go to how can you actually chart your things, right? US 100, because I trade NAS 100, US 100, MEQ. So just as you may need to go in here to place your trade for Henkel Trade, you can still look at TradingView, and you can still, they're the same thing. There's nothing different between the two. So that and it's that easy, guys. Like TradingView, you're gonna have to sign up, right? They're probably gonna give you like a week or a month free, and then after that, you're gonna be paying $20 a month, $24 a month. You could pay $40 a month. You could pay $80 a month, and these different tiers are gonna give you different access. You know, of course, the more you pay, the more access you're going to have, right? In regards to bar replay. Bar replay allows you to go back all the way to like 2014, 2017 on a 30-second time frame, 1 minute time frame, and test out your theories, test out your edge, okay? So TradingView I use for charting. As you can see, when we go to MEQ is futures, CME Group. You have to pay for this data. You can't just get that, and you can like look it up on TradingView, but you're gonna be like 15 minutes delayed. So let's go over it again from the top, right? How does one start trading? If you want to use your crypto, right, in order to trade, this is a trusted professional brokerage. Not regulated in America, but regulated in other continents and other countries, okay? If you've already been trading for years, 6 months or whatever, you feel like you got it and you're willing to pay for the subscription, you're willing to pay for this data that they give, go to Tradevate. As you can see, you see log in, open account, open your account, and go from there, guys. Henkel Trade, if you want to use crypto and send crypto to fund your things and you're familiar with crypto, Henkel Trade. Again, I had a pretty penny, in Henkel Trade, and they did not disappoint when it was time to withdraw. Everything was smooth, and again, I asked for that major withdrawal at the height of them losing their license with MT4. It was chaotic for them, okay? And they're still recovering. Guys. I'm not going to lie to you. So ACT Trader would be in cahoots with Henkel Trade. You could download this on the Apple Store. You could go to the web browser. As you can see in the background how it looks. So you can even trade on there, right? It's no different from TradingView. Of course, TradingView is going to be a little more smooth than that ACT Trader, but it's all the same. US 100, NAS 100, MEQ. The difference is the data provider. This is capital.com. Of course, for US 100 free. CME Group is you have to pay for that, okay? I think I pay like $9 or $12 a month plus the 9 to integrate it with TradingView. Beautiful. As you see, we made money today. This follows the Exceeded Edge model to a T, guys. You guys should know the Exceeded Edge model by now. Break structure after 9:30. First contact with high time frame internal. Catch the break in the other direction. So I caught the movement down to the first internal, which was a weekly internal. And as you can see, being that it's a weekly internal, man, we broke structure to the upside, and we're going for those peaks, guys. Very beautiful price action, very easy price action. If you guys want to learn how to trade like this, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, visit neverquitexceed.com, become a Profit Titan. And yeah, that's how you trade, guys. Remember, for your charting, TradingView. For your charting, TradingView. Okay. For your brokers, I would recommend Henko Trade or Tradovate. Okay, and maybe even Ninja Trader, but Ninja Trader is gonna tax you. So Tradovate or Henko Trade. Hey man, say man, have a good day, man. It's Favorite Trade Geo. Come out with another video, man. Yes, sir.